So what's up guys, hope you are doing well. I'm Mash from TechMesh and today I'm going to show you that how you can fix you currently do not have Microsoft WebView2 Runtime installed, which may cause your software to crash problem, and how you can install your Microsoft WebView2 Runtime on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. So this can occur if you have by mistake uninstalled the Microsoft WebView2 Runtime, or maybe for other types of reasons as well. So here you can see that I am trying to open a software and it is saying this error. So I will show you that how we can fix this problem. So first just go to any browser and search for download WebView2 and then press on enter. Click on this link. So the link will be also available in the description. So just click on download WebView2 and here click on accept and download. So that's it. That was really simple. Now just click on show in folder, and now you need to just right click on here and click on run as administrator and click on yes. So now wait for a bit. It is saying downloading Microsoft Edge WebView2 Runtime. So after successfully install the Microsoft WebView2, then here let me show you that if I just now try to open the same software again, so you can see that it is opening without any problem. So that's it. That's how you can fix this problem with your Microsoft Edge View 2 and how you can install this software. So if this video worked for you, then don't forget to hit the like button and let me know that in the comment section below, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more future videos like this one. So I'm Matt from TechMesh and I'm signing out.